Welcome to my channel, where today we step into a world of unmatched sophistication and futuristic innovation. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a creation that doesn't just raise the bar for luxury travel, it completely redefines it. This masterpiece, valued at an astonishing $2 million, combines German engineering excellence with an interior design that feels more like a modern penthouse suite than a vehicle. Imagine hitting the road and carrying your own five-star mansion everywhere you go. That's exactly what Mercedes-Benz has built here. Today, we'll take you through every luxurious corner of this motorhome. From its high-tech kitchen to the plush bedroom, the stylish drawing room, and finally, the spa-like bathroom. Buckle up, because this ride is going to redefine what you think about motorhomes forever. Let's start with the kitchen, because in the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, even cooking feels like an event. The space is crafted with glossy stone countertops that look like they belong in a high-end designer home. The induction cooktop and smart convection oven are both seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry, while the refrigerator is full-sized and camouflaged behind sleek panels. There's a built-in dishwasher and even a wine fridge with precise temperature controls. Soft close cabinets give you abundant storage, and everything is designed to maximize space efficiency. The lighting is automated and adjusts depending on the time of day. So whether you're making coffee at sunrise or preparing dinner under the stars, the ambiance is always perfect. This isn't just a motorhome kitchen, it's a chef's dream on wheels. Now let's move into the bedroom. And here's where Mercedes-Benz truly shows what luxury means. You're greeted with a king-sized bed that adjusts automatically for firmness, complete with memory foam technology and premium linens that rival any five-star hotel. Soft LED lighting glows from hidden strips, creating a calming environment that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Automated shades give you complete privacy with a single touch, while the climate control system keeps the temperature exactly how you like it. At the foot of the bed, there's a 65-inch 8K OLED display for entertainment, paired with an immersive surround sound system. Storage is plentiful, with built-in wardrobes and the materials throughout the room, polished wood, brushed aluminum, and leather accents, scream sophistication. This isn't just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary for rest and luxury living. Now let's step into the drawing room, which feels more like an exclusive lounge than part of a motorhome. Plush Italian leather sofas line the space, offering ample seating for guests. And a smart coffee table doubles as a touchscreen control panel for the motorhome's lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light during the day. And at night, they transform into interactive smart glass that can adjust opacity for privacy or display ambient visuals. The room also features a retractable 100-inch projector screen for movie nights, and the sound system is studio-grade, ensuring every note and detail is crystal clear. The space is designed for both relaxation and social gatherings, making it the perfect heart of this rolling mansion. The bathroom in the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is equally stunning, offering the kind of luxury you'd expect from a world-class spa. The shower is a full-sized walk-in with a rainfall shower head, body jets, and a steam function for ultimate relaxation. The walls are covered with premium stone tiles, while the heated flooring adds another layer of comfort. Dual vanities with touchless faucets and illuminated mirrors create a futuristic vibe. And every detail from the chrome fixtures to the towel warmers reflects luxury. Storage is cleverly integrated into sleek cabinetry, and the toilet system is eco-friendly yet incredibly comfortable. Every visit to this bathroom feels like a retreat, not a necessity. Finally, let's talk about the 2025 Mercedes-Benz most trending motorhome, which set the stage for this 2026 marvel. The 2025 model already turned heads with its groundbreaking design, but the 2026 version takes every innovation to the next level. With upgraded materials, smarter automation, more powerful technology integration, and a design that blends road efficiency with world-class luxury. It's no wonder this motorhome has become one of the most talked-about vehicles of the year. It's not just transportation, it's a statement of lifestyle and luxury. So, there you have it, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a $2 million dream machine that transforms every journey into a luxurious adventure. From its chef-worthy kitchen and hotel-like bedroom to its lounge-style drawing room and spa-inspired bathroom, this motorhome isn't just about travel. It's about redefining how we live on the move. What do you think? Is this the future of road luxury? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible reviews of the world's most luxurious vehicles.